is how do I edit a desk phone button configuration? This can be done on either a Polycom or a Yealink phone through your manager portal or through the user portal. On the user portal, when you go into a user, you click on the user name in the user tab, and that gets you to your portal here access. You go to the phones tab, and when you do, you're going to see all the phones listed here for that user. Again, you pick the physical phone, that would be a Polycom or a Yealink phone, that you want to configure. You go across to where the little button says Snap Builder. You click on the Snap Builder button and click Yes, and this allows you to enter the configuration of the phone. What you're going to see here is within the phone itself, you're going to see a layout of the physical phone and a layout of the buttons, the line key buttons that are programmed currently on the phone. Blue means programmed, gray means not currently programmed and unassigned. So the first button is always going to be the user extension, as you can see from this phone button table here on the side. To add a button to the user, you simply click on the button configuration here, and it drops down this select a feature option. You drop that down and you're going to find there are additional options that you can program here, such as a user BLF, a call park button, or even speed dial options. Now, there are some other items that are in here that you can manage, and if you need help with them, please let us know, but those are the most common. For a user BLF, when you click on that, you simply start typing in the extension number of the user that you would like to put on this button. So you populate that in there, and then over here, you can put on a custom label for that user. So I typed in Doug, and the custom label is what's going to appear on the screen display over here. Now, again, you don't have to put a custom display name. This is only if you want to, but that is basically how you would program in a user BLF. BLF stands for Busy Lamp Field, and what this gives you is the ability to be able to see when the user is on the phone or off the phone. When they're off the phone, the button will be dark. When they're on the phone, the button will be lit up red. If the phone is ringing, then the button will be blinking, and that gives you the ability to call pickup the button as well, to pick up the call. Also, you can use it as a speed dial to get to another extension. So this is where you would program in a specific feature such as a BLF. For a speed dial, very similar. You click on the speed dial, and now you enter the phone number that you want this speed dial to represent, and then again, you can give it a custom label. So again, as you go down through this list, you're going to find you have the ability to program in any of the buttons here. If you make a change to any of the buttons, then the phone will need to be rebooted in order for the configuration to take effect. So if you go down here to where it says save, you're going to go to save and resync. Now that's going to reboot the phone. So number one, you got to make sure that the user's off the phone and the phone is available. Then you save and resync. And again, that pushes a reboot to the phone, and that'll take a couple minutes. After the reboot is complete, then those buttons will reflect here in the side exactly what it reflects. So again, this can be done on the Polycom phones. You would see the Polycom specific phone that's assigned to this extension, no matter what model it is. And it can also be done for the Yealink phones through here. And again, you will be able to see your Yealink phone. So that is how you add buttons to the system. And again, there's a couple different ways to get here. We got here initially through the user configuration, where you actually clicked on the user. You can also do it through your manager portal in the inventory configuration. So when you go into inventory and go into your phone hardware, here you're going to see the buttons are all listed here. And again, the Snap Builder option is available here. So you could do multiple devices if you